Hi everybody, welcome to It's Alive Automotive. I'm Joey, and today we're going to dive into a true British classic, this 1965 MG MGB MK1. Let's check it out. Dressed in tartan red, this MGB is an immediate head turner. The black vinyl interior also complements the exterior for a wonderful, beautiful, timeless look. Look at this neat pack-away hood, a vintage touch that adds to the car's versatility. And when the hood is packed up and put away, there is this black tonneau cover to go in its place. Under the bonnet, this beauty is no slouch either. With an aluminum radiator and braided steel oil cooler lines, it's built to keep its cool even on those long summer drives. And that MG scripted rib aluminum valve cover, just a touch of old school cool. Rolling on these classic wire wheels, this MG doesn't just look the part, it exudes that classic British sports car vibe. And with that wraps up this tour of this 1965 MGB MK1, a car that's truly a treat for any car enthusiast.